Sneezing truth or myth? Let's blow away the confusion. Ever heard that your heart stops when you sneeze? It's a common belief, but totally false. Your heart rhythm might change momentarily due to the pressure, but it definitely doesn't stop. Sneezing is just your body's way of expelling irritants. It's a powerful reflex, not a cardiac event. So next time you sneeze, don't worry about your heart. Just grab a tissue. Myth busted. Sneezing doesn't stop your heart. It's just a forceful exhale. Want more myth-busting fun? Like and follow for more surprising facts and debunked beliefs.